Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video our question is, on a rainy day 94% of the students were present in a school. If the number of students absent on that day was 174, find the total strength of the school. So this is our question. So when I solve this, first we write let the total strength equals to x. Now the number of students remain absent equals to 174. Now the percentage of students remain absent, so it will be 100 minus 94, as 94 is a percentage of students who remain present, so it is equal to 6%. So therefore you can write 6% of x, that means 6% of the total strength of the school, that is equal to 174. So equal to 6% means 6 by 100 of means into x equals to 174, or 6x by 100 equals to 174, or 6x equals to 174 into 100. You are taking 100 from left side to right side, so it will go for multiplication, equals to, now you are taking 6 to this side, so it becomes 174 into 100 by 6. Now you can cut 6 and 174 directly. It will become 29. So it becomes 29 into 100, that is equals to 2900. So this is the total strength of the school. So this is our final answer. So guys, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel for more solution.